Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today's video it's gonna be a tutorial about iPhone camera and the way how to activate the burst button or the burst features on your camera. So burst feature is basically for taking a lot of pictures only with a one click. So if you activate it, you don't need to do this tapping this button like multiple times because it's quite taking time and energy. You can just activate these tools instead. Go back into your home screen and then you just need to open the settings, and right after that you just need to like scrolling down until you found the camera section. And after you got the camera section, you just need to go click it, and please take a look on this first box, and there will be like an option about the use volume up for burst, and then you just need to go click this way, and then you just need to go back into your home screen and open your camera again, and then you just need to start click your volume up button to take the burst photo. So you don't need to take to click this button again because the result will be more stable with volume up button. Basically, that is the way how to activate your burst features on your camera. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.